It's the big companies. So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished repairing a copper line. We had a copper 90 up here that was weeping, and it just has gone and rolled down the line all the way to the bottom. Homeowner found it on the inside, opened up the baseboard and found it. So we identified it, both of us together. We checked it. We could see where it was weeping. It was on the bottom side of the 90 here. So we cut the whole thing out, tried to repair it with copper. Unfortunately, the whole line is a furnace. The hydronic line is under pressure, and it's hard to solder without an open end. So we opted for the PAX 100-year. It's a 25-year guarantee on the product, 100-year life expectancy. We did go ahead and solder on a copper adapter right there. It's easier to solder that way because when we put it together, there's a big opening on the end, so all the air flows out the end of that adapter as you solder. So that's nice and sealed. We've checked it. Nice and dry around there, and that's that test that we both did earlier on the copper. And then the point of connection is a female adapter that takes you over to the Uponor piping. So that's a 3/4 female adapter to Uponor, and then a 3/4 90 piping down to the same situation. We've got this fitting, and you can see it's nice and dry. So that's a male adapter to a female adapter to Uponor piping. The only thing they need to do is just monitor this for as long as they can, hold off on sheetrocking this just to monitor it for any water at all. It should stay perfectly dry. We did check the other line. Everything appears to be dry on this side. So one's going to be a supply and a return line. We don't know which is which. It doesn't matter. They're both tied into the furnace. So this line looks dry. Monitor this. We're going to go ahead and put these little panels that we have back on the wall just to keep rodents out of there. And when you're ready to sheetrock it, you've already got the contact information of our sheetrock guy. He'll come up and do a nice job for you, or you go ahead and patch it back in yourself, whichever you'd like to do. And outside of that, this installation is done.